Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. Let's take a look again at the Bitcoin today, because market actually shows significant action, and currently we could take a look again at the cryptocurrency, because we are following with our trading plan that we have discussed yesterday. So that's the daily picture. We have the butterfly here today, guys. Again, I have adjusted the top of the right wing, because we said yesterday that despite this very nice upside rally, it's too early to speak about breaking of the long-term bearish tendency, and at least to change the context on the daily chart, market has to take it out of the A point, because in this case it will form the upward reversal swing, and in this case we could talk about some larger A, B equals CD price action. Maybe on the daily we could erase the butterfly and start watching for the other patterns. But until market stands inside this previous swing down, the overall context with the butterfly stands intact. And on the daily chart, it's too early to talk about some changing of the opinion. So this currently is still, this action is still treated as just as a retracement. So nothing more by far. But if market will continue in the same action, so soon we will have to prepare the new trading plan on the daily as well. But let's take a look what could happen today and what we could do with this recent upward action. So whether market is ready to turn down, or we need to wait for another leg up. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, here's our hand shoulders pattern, guys, that we have talked about yesterday. Our suggestion was that market will continue move higher, and the target should be the first area that it should hit will be 39 even. That has happened. So by this action, market has completed minimum requirement target of the hand shoulders pattern. So we have left arm, head, and right shoulder. So the AB equals CD targets. OP has been completed here. It's also agreement resistance, guys, because target coincides with the major fib level. So it means that some pullback here is very probable, just as a retracement reaction on the strong resistance. But at the same time, we should be ready for the further upward continuation. Next target will be XOP at 41.40. Why this action is possible? Well, guys, just because of the strength of this action. So you can see very minor retracement, very small retracement, fast acceleration here and here, very fast action. And it means that very good impulse exists right now in the market, and it's really could push price higher to the XOP target. At the same time, even reaching of the 41.40 will not break the daily setup, because, sorry guys, because if you will take a look at this A point stands 42.50, approximately 43, but 41.40 will be somewhere in this area. So yes, market will exceed this top, but it will stand below the major A point, and in this case the butterfly will be some kind of that sort. So applying of the harmonic swing retracement here, as you could use trend line, for example. We will use this one. Just change the color. Let's it be maroon. Okay. So dragging in this area, you can see approximately the same retracement. And if we would suggest that probably will be the same retracement here, this could be somewhere to 48.15, somewhere in this area. That's what's falling from the harmonic swing. Now, if you'll take a look at the fib levels that you have of this most recent upward action, you will see that on the hourly chart that actually we have currently catalyst triple to sell in at least third retracement here is possible. And we have two levels. First one, 38 support is from these lows to this top. So it'll be 30% retracement. It stands 38 even. And next we have the confidence support 37, 37, 20 approximately. That's two levels to watch for a market could reach. Harmonic swing points and 48, 14, and mostly coincides with the first Fibonacci retracement. So this market could show retracement just to this area. So if you have the bullish view and you would like to take the long position, it's a logical decision for you will be trying to take the position at the first Fib support, because market currently is not at the very bottom on the daily chart, and it's not suggest that retracement should be very deep. That's why this retracement probably will be enough with the placing stop below the confidence support. Besides, confidence support coincides with the neckline, and the breaking through this area, this is actually a validation point for the performance of the hand shoulders. So market should not return back down below this area. In this case, the action with the hand shoulders will be over. And from that standpoint, putting it all together, this seems logical as reaching of this area with the stops below the confidence. So that's the trading plan for a couple of sessions probably. And after that we will see what will happen. So if you'll take a look at the trading volume here and here, you also will see that the volume of the purchasing of the Bitcoin here on this rally was really not bad, and that provides more confidence that indeed after minor retracement upward action could continue.